Hello and welcome to the SaturdayMP show, episode number 75, being recorded mostly live, November 24th, 2025. I'm your host, Chris, and this is a show about shipping secure, high-quality software faster. Kind of. It's mostly just a show where I just kind of record things. I don't know, for fun. It's just fun. I like recording these, so hopefully you like watching them. Well, maybe a couple of people do, not a lot. I say mostly live too because I haven't like this. I barely edit these. It's mostly live. I edit some things, but very lightly edited. So you're probably going to watch me make mistakes and fumble through things. And today, if you can't tell, we're going to do a hack the box. So definitely probably going to make mistakes on this one. We're going to try this lock machine and try and get the kind of capture the flags, try and attack this machine and figure it out. And I have the little write up here just in case we get really stuck. So there's just not too many minutes or hours of me sitting there not knowing what to do. Because I find with some of these capture the flags and stuff, they're almost like trivia. Like if you don't know the answer, then you're just stuck. Like if you don't know what tool to use, if you didn't know this technique existed, you're just going to sit there and thrash for a while and not know anything. So yeah, I guess before we go any further, if you want to see something particular in the future, or you have a specific question you want to see me answer, or a particular type of video, you can send, you can send an email to ask@SaturdayMP.com. You can leave comments down below if you're watching this video on YouTube. And then, okay, I'm going to have to turn this off. That's super annoying. The Git Copilot all complete. Anyway, you can put comments below and all that stuff. Any constructive criticism, feel free to pass it my way. I guess if you really don't like this, if you like it too, you can click the like, the share, the subscribe, tell your friends about it. That'd be great. If you don't like it, I guess I don't know why you're still watching. I guess go watch something else would be my recommendation. I'm always amazed when people just sit there and watch something they really don't like and they complain about it. Like there's such a wealth of other things you could do or things you could watch. Just go do that. So, okay. I guess soapbox time over. All right, let's get this started. Trying to cut my intros down so they're not so long. So we're just on Hack the Box. It's lock. It's Windows. Usually I do Linux machines. So I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. Because most of my clients, I'm a software consultant, and most of my clients are on Windows. And I'm a software developer, so I don't do security full time, but I got into Hack the Box and kind of the local Edmonton security community and stuff because people just kept asking me questions. Like clients kept asking me questions about security that I didn't know the answers to. So I started reaching out to people and educating myself. But most of my clients are on Windows, like it's small to medium-sized businesses, usually some sort of web Linux server, like Apache or Nginx or something running like that. And just kind of securing those and making sure those are good. So, but this is Windows. The other reason I kind of picked this one, it was highly rated. But I kind of scanned the synopsis, just like the first page or two real quick, but it uses this GitT and it has a personal access token that we're going to find. And one of the interesting things I've done when I've done code reviews or just help clients out is I've really noticed a lot of, it's kind of, that would be like my number one. I don't know if it's a number one thing in the world, but in my experience, like I see it quite frequently is I'll get access to a client's repository. And then I will instantly see like someone has left a token, like an AWS token in there, or hard-coded some password or something like that in there. And they never changed it. So they've had developers come and go, but they've never changed that password. So anyone with that credential could potentially abuse their systems, any past developer, right? Like you assume the past developers deleted and didn't save that key, but you never know. Or even if the developer was honest, but they had their laptop stolen, like maybe they left your company and you never changed the password or the token, and then their laptop was stolen and they still had a local copy of your source code on it. So anyway, that's what got me interested in this, and we'll see how it goes from there. So, and I'm also doing it on this like task mode. You could do an adventure mode where they just want the keys, but I'm still learning security, so let's do this. And then the other things I have here, I'm going to have 2 Visual Studio Code windows open. One of them is just kind of my notes for like a particular Hack the Box machine. Oh, I don't know, maybe. And then I created a second one that's like, this is just me. This is something I've been meaning to do for a while. I need to take I wrote notes down, but I don't have them in a central spot. So this is kind of all my security notes in general. So maybe I'll just use one for now. I think that's probably a better plan. Okay, well, let's create a new file. Let's just call it lock. Actually, let's do this. See, mostly live. Sure, Hack the Box. And then let's new folder, machines. And then I don't have to keep switching back and forth. New folder, and it's lock. Okay. And then we'll just go to read me.md in here. And then I can put my lock, and I can put notes. Go here. So if I have any notes or any scripts I need for this machine, and then I want to use this repository just to have like a tool, like a toolkit I can use for other, for clients, just so I can carry it around. Because Nmap, I always forget what Nmap commands to run and stuff like that. So I don't know if that's a problem with you, but it's a problem with me. Okay, so we have our Kali Linux set up down here, down below. Let's just make sure we can. I have the VPN and everything set up already. Let's just make sure it's still working. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Okay, so that's all good. So let's go. Let's just go into the lock folder here. In case I need to create a script or something. Okay, so now how many TCP ports are listening on lock? So I got to use Nmap. So I always forget the Nmap commands. I'm just going to. So I'm going to take a peek at this already because I saw that they already had the Nmap, right? So, so they ports. What the heck is this command doing? That's gotta be the IP of the machine we're trying to get. Huh. I wonder. I'm curious what this command is. It's just getting us a list of open ports. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, and hopefully this shows up okay on the screen. I'm experimenting with a way to. What's my IP? Okay, let's put that up here. Like, what the heck is this gonna do? Like, it looks like it's looking for the ports. All right, I guess I'm stumped already. It's taking a while. All right, let's just run Nmap. See if it'll show us what ports are open. I can't remember. This is where I gotta have my notes. Let's go here. Nmap -SV. Because it's just a way to speed up how fast we do the ports. I think T4 is like the fastest. Oh, like this is probably just finding all the open ports really quick. And then this is getting like, get me extra information about them. I bet you that's what that's doing. Let's try this again. Okay, so this is where I kind of like to have the notes because I could put stuff in here. So yeah, let's just see what that outputs. So like, what are these reference guides, options? Oh, I know there's so many options for nmap. So we have the P. Yeah, like this is only scan specific ports. And I think T4 is like super fast or something. Where's the T4 in here? Or the dash T, I guess. Oh, there it was. Oh, let's make this probably really hard for everyone on the screen to read there. Where was that again? Yeah, higher is fastest, so hopefully we'll get something back. It's taking a while. Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this just found the open ports. And then SV and SC. So that's basically give me a list of all the open ports in a format that the nmap command, when you do the dash P, can understand. I don't know what the dash P dash means. Huh, I don't know. Let's see. What does nmap dash P dash mean? Oh, okay. So scan all ports by default. Oh, it only scan. Oh, okay. So that's why the command took so long, because it scanned all 65,000 ports. Okay. Right. It's been a while since I've done one of these. You can find previous ones for Hack the Box and Pico CTF on there. Okay, now that we have these, I think what this next command does is it gives us this SC and SV. I'm pretty sure those are just giving me more details. Like it tries to figure out, is this Apache? Let's see, where's SV? Yeah, determine the version and service info, and SC is what is script default? Oh, I think these scripts are like, again, to help figure out what service is running at each port. Okay, well, let's just kick that off, and I can do a little bit of thinking or looking it up while it is S dash P. So we had one at port 80, so that's GSSH 445. Like, or sorry, these are usual server ports. And then we got one at 3000, so that kind of looks, oftentimes that's like a debug port, like someone's running something in development or something. And then we got one at 3389, which I don't know what that is. So, oops. And then I have to put the dash SB dash SC, and then this guy here. I think, do I need a space after the, I'll have to look at the command again. Do I need a space after the dash P? Oh, no. I think these all have to be one clumped together like that. With commas? Yeah, commas. Okay. Okay, so nmap sc. What does do? Okay, yeah, so it's running some scripts, I think, to give more information. These must be scripts that are nmap has built in, and then maybe people can add their own. What is the difference between nmap sc and sv? -a. Okay, it looks like there's other commands we can run. Okay, well, let's see what we got here. Again, the other reason I like to keep it, so let's. Right, we can put these in here, and then in here I can, oops, file nmap. Well, let's just here machine IP. First ran scan to get all the open ports, which was not this one. It was this one here. All right, so let's just take all of it. I might have to make this bigger. Looks like we got. Okay, let's make this bigger temporarily so I can see what the heck is going on. All right, so we ran this. It found. I think it's risky because we might get detected. Like we're running probably pretty aggressive scan. Oh, Microsoft. Oh, this is a Golang server. Oh, okay. So here's port 80. This is IS. This is a website. Oh yeah, that's not. I wonder what that is. It's not. Okay, we'll have to see. This is a Golang.net server. Oh right, this is a Git. So this is like a GitHub, kind of like open source GitHub client you can run. And this is a Microsoft Terminal Services. I think sometimes some of these will find that, if I remember correctly, to hack the box or something, like they'll have these ports that are not really anything useful. They're just kind of, they exist to help for the, like they're running some services that get that hack the box needs. So okay, so we found the ports. How many TC ports? Okay, let's go through these questions here. How many ports are open? What was that, 4? No, it was 4. Boom. Okay, submit. Get T. Oh, no, wait. What was running at 3000? Oh, I put an extra T in there. Okay. What is the name of the? Oh, okay, so kind of what it's hinting now is we should go check out this Gitty. So let's go check out these two sites. Oh wait, actually, how am I going to do this? This is running in WSL. How am I going to see these sites? Oh, this is going to be a problem. I guess I have to install. Okay. I think I can do this. Oh, how to install Firefox and Kali Linux. Kali Linux install Firefox. Because this is on WSL, we're gonna have to see. Is there just a built-in one? Oh, there's even a Firefox Developer Edition. That's kind of cool. Firefox. Don't really want. I guess I'll take the Developer Edition. I'm not sure what the Firefox Developer Edition is. Hmm. Interesting. I never tried this before. Okay. Well, let's give it a shot. Firefox Developer Edition ENUS KBX. No, I don't. I didn't think about this. This might. Maybe this video will never see the light of day if I can't get this browser to display. Progress. Come on, come on, come on. All right, cool. Can I just run fire? Oh, right. It's Docker or something. Oh, okay. Uninstall. Just remove this. Oops. Does it remove? Okay. Firefox on Kali. Oh, is that what it is? Apt install Firefox ESR. Yes. Cool. All right, yeah, so we would do that. And then, yeah, like we're probably going to find a website. So let's see what this website looks like. Okay, let's see. Okay, cool. So we can do this. Oh, yeah. Can I make this? Oh, I can. Okay. Can I make this window any bigger? All right. Cool. Well, that's not the best, but that's what we got. So let's put this over here. Okay. And then what's our 10.129.223.218 port? Just port 80 should. Right. So this is that company website. So I don't know if there's anything interesting here. Oh, there's. Can I make this any bigger? Yeah. Hopefully this is coming okay on the video. Now, if you are watching this and having trouble seeing it, let me know so my other ones aren't as bad. PDF to Word. Oh, they can convert PDF to Word. That's cool. Okay. Oh, Sarah Wilson. I click Get Started. So it doesn't look like there's any login pages or anything like that. Okay. But if we go to that port, what was it, 3000? Right. So now we get the Git. So this is really interesting. So somebody is running a Git server on this production, powered by Git. It's got a version number here. Wow, I could just go, oh, it doesn't even make me log in. Huh. Okay. That's pretty easy. Oh, wow. Okay. So, yeah, usually I guess a repository would be a lot bigger, but what do we see here? It's looking for an access token. So I'm assuming based on our write-up, maybe in the history, there's going to be sort of pull requests. Oh, no. Oh, maybe there isn't. Okay, but we can pull this repo down and take does this, oh, it does have commits here. Right, like if we go look at the original one, does it have a token in here that they forgot to remove? Oh, this is really slow. Oh yeah, look, there it is. So this is another reminder too that even if you've removed a token, you can always go find it. So that's great. This is probably what we're going to need for something in the future. All right. Git T, and in the repo was a PA in an old commit. That's what Python. All right. Okay, so what is this script doing? Let's look at what this script is actually doing. So let's so yeah, what did they change? They just changed to read it from the environment. So if we look at the latest script, oops, no, I want to see explore. There we are. I'm just going to, can I copy this? So now let's create a new file. Script What is it called? Oh, dev scripts. Dev scripts. And then let's just see. All right, so here, now we can get a little bit of formatting. Oh, no, we'll do that later. It's got some format, so it's looking for the domain. So this is getting the repositories. Main, okay. So Python script, the domain. It's just getting all the repository. Oh, it's just pulling down all the repositories. Oh, maybe there's more than one we can pull down. Did I do this one already? This seems familiar. I wonder if I've done this one. But the write-up is pretty new. Have I done this before? When was this? I thought I said the write-up was like 2025. Yeah. Oh yeah, okay, it's pretty new. Okay. This just seems, oh shoot. This just seems really okay. Okay, so we're getting ahead of ourselves. Let's go back to filling out the form. So I'm sure we're gonna have to pull down, because once you have their personal access token, we could probably see if there's other repositories on their machine. So let's first of all, let's answer this question. What are the name of the public accessible repository? Oh, where did that go? Boop. It is, oh, Ellen.Freeman. Oh, it's kind of funny, actually. I had I haven't seen him in a bit, but I have a friend with the name of Freeman. Oh, sorry. This is called dev scripts. Okay. What is the, oh yeah, right. So we grab that. There it is. Yeah, so these you should you always need to change these if someone leaves. Well, this is her personal access token, but if you ever commit anything like this to a Git repo, you need to change it, because unless you've never pushed it anywhere, but as soon as you pushed it to like GitHub or something, it's on everyone. It's out there. People have probably cloned that repo. Like even like repos, I don't know, that if you just make it public for a bit or then pull it back, like you like, oh, people already forked it. Like I'm sure there must be some sort of bots that that you can that are just looking for new public repos. So okay, right, like use this to find the other repos on the server. So oh right, I have Firefox launched. So I guess let's go here. So let's put this in under lock. Or can you have a repo inside a repo? I don't know about that. Let's maybe do that. Let's make a new, let's just call it temp. Okay. Git clone. How do I find all the repos? I don't know how to do that actually. Okay, let's open this up and then I'm always a little hesitant to use chats for some of these because I don't want them to give me the answer. All right, let's go to ask mode. And sure, Sonnet 5. I don't know why that has a big thingy. Oh, downgraded performance. Okay, so how do I list all the repositories on a Git T server using the command line. Is it the command line I want? I don't know. Maybe there's a way. I don't know much about Git, so oh yeah, look, there's a big old administrator on there. So that would be pretty cool to find. Organizations, no, okay. Okay, so there must be some API or something on. Oh, nice of the AI to put that in there for me. That's great. Like it's got the correct. It looks like that's correct. Oh, that's pretty smart. Yeah. No, I just want to list them all. So let's try this. All right. Well, that looks like it spat out something. Okay. Probably a better way to do it, but. Okay, let's shrink you and see what we see in here. Okay, so let's take this and format it. This is all JSON. Let's put this in another file. Git t repos dot json. Okay, and now can I just format? There we go. Okay, let's see what we see here. So, Ellen Freeman, that's great. She's got her dev scripts. We have another Ellen Freeman. Ooh, there's a website. Oh, okay. So this is, that's why I can't see, because it's private, right? And this one's public. Is that what's going on? Let's just see. Is there public? Visibility public. Okay, so if I click this visibility, yeah. Oh, both are. ID5. Didn't I see this was public or something? Or yeah, here, private. So this one's true. This one's false. Okay, so that's probably why it's not showing. Okay, so what? Oh, okay. So what is the name? It's just website, right? That was the name. Yeah, awesome. What is the user on lock? What? Oh, sorry. What user on lock is the Git application running as? Oh, did it tell us when we did our? Output of our script here? Oh, maybe it tells us in the dev scripts. Well, maybe not. Let's see. Okay, so here does it tell you who's running it here? Request. The Like this shouldn't tell you what permission is running. That would be really bad. If we look at the dev scripts. Okay, so what is this script doing? Get repositories, prints repositories, for each repository prints the full name. That's all it does? That's all this script does? Oh, it even told me the API. Is that the same? Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, I guess I could have just used this script to run it. Okay. Interesting. What user unlock is the Git application running as? Well, I think I need to look at this other repo. So like this website, I need to pull this down. Oh, I could pipe through for better format. Yeah, that probably would have been a good idea. How do I pull down a private Git repo? I guess I could just, I think I could just use this. I should be able just to, oh, I need my authorization token. How do I clone a private Git repo? Because that's really what I need to do. So let's clear this. The format is, oh, okay. So it did put the token in there. Oh, perfect. Okay. This is kind of nice because there's a lot of stuff. This is kind of where AI is super, like, it's a tool you should use. Because otherwise I'd have to search like what's the Git command and how do I put the token in there? And like, what a big pain in the butt. So I'm in temp. Yeah, let's clone this website. Okay, so let's put that in the README here. Oh, I guess I could put. Okay, use clone the private website repo. Okay, and now we can. Oh, I already have this other one open. Oh, yeah, I was gonna use this to. Okay, I'll update this later. I'll add my own stuff here later. For now, let's just go here. Let's go open folder. Temp website. Okay. Ooh. Don't really trust the authors. Because like this is something I just pulled down from the internet. Index. README. Oh, CI/CD is now active. Oh, that's cool. Change the log. Index. Maybe Bootstrap. Oh, is there even another? Oh, that's interesting. Is there another repo? No, just the two. Okay, can I log in? Oh, like look at that, sign in. Doesn't have my username and password though. So I would have to. So I think I have to somehow get into get T. I'm assuming there's nothing in here that tells this. This is just an HTML page. Vendor. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get into get T here. So I don't know. I don't know their password though. Okay, so let me see. All right, well, let's take a look. What does the user unlock? Probably admin, but like, who knows? So, okay, let's just take a look. How are we doing? So we did that. It's great. We see get T, we see the repos.py. We find the get access token. We can see the two repositories. Oh, right. If we could add stuff. Oh, right. Okay. So if we have access to their website, we can add stuff. Okay. I don't want to read too much more ahead. Okay. But they just do a test. We find the HTML content of the website we were previously on. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Okay. So let's go to the website and let's new. All right, let's just do what they do. Let's do test.html. Oops. New file, test.html. This is a test. And then view. I want my terminal. Look at get status. And if I do git commit, git add test, I do git commit. This is a test. Is it git push? Yeah. Okay. Now, if we go here, let's open up a new, what was our, oh, it's really tiny, even for me. And then we go to test.html. Yeah, there we go. Cool. All right, we're just like hacking away here. Okay. Now, is there any clues as to if they're running like Java, like they're running, go away. They're running Python or something that we can abuse. Bootstrap. Wait, do we have to use JavaScript to get around this? It's running IIS. Right, we're running a version of IIS. So if we go look. Under README here. Oh, I guess I should update this too real quick. We can add files. We can add files and change files in the repo. They will be pushed to prod. Add a file. HTML, and we could see it on the server after commit. Okay. Now, oh, they even set the username. Right. So, oh, that's hilarious. Like, if I go here, it's going to be my name. I guess I should have changed the name there. Oh, I can't see the website. I can't log in. Okay. But yeah, I guess we should have. If we were better hackers, we would have done this, so it doesn't look like us doing it. Yeah. So this is where I don't understand IIS. ASPX. Oh, okay. So I don't know a lot about ASPX. I don't know what MSFvemon is. Oh, this must be setting up a reverse shell is what this is. MSVenom. Okay. Let's see. What is MSVenom? Oh, try spelling that correctly. Oh, I need the Metasploit. Okay. Oh, interesting. Make that bigger. Oh, I guess it's a combination of some tools. See, this is like something I would never know about. Okay, I should have thought it was an ASPX because it is IIS. Okay, well, let's try the MSVenom. Okay, install MSFvemon on Kali. Oh, I need the whole Metasploit framework. Is that what I need? Then, oh yeah, there it is. Okay. So, how do I install this? There we go. I'm pretty sure I don't have this. So this is a brand new, I just set this up today. This Kali Linux version, so it doesn't have a lot of stuff on it. Okay. Yeah. So again, mostly live. You get to, it's a lot to install. Okay. So I don't know anything about MSFvemon. So this is where I'm just going to read the little help thingy here. Because what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to create an ASPX page and we're going to have to push it up to that file. Yeah. And that will be like, once we do that, I'm sure there's a command that we can get, maybe like a PHP info like command that we can get. But yeah, let's see. Is there the equivalent of PHP info for ASPX? Huh. Necessary. Go away. Server info get HTML. Oh, okay. Well, let's just try creating a page with this in it and see what happens. So let's go. I need to go to the other here. Sure, let's call this payload. ASPX. Okay. Now I don't quite sure how to how would I create an AS? Okay. I probably shouldn't turn on. I probably could turn on safe mode. It's probably fine, but let's new file payload.aspx. Boom. And then let's how do I do a new chat? Please format this so it will work as an ASPX page. I'm still in ASP mode. That's fine. I don't want agent mode or anything right now. Yeah, that's good. You go ahead and read that. Okay, so let's try this, and then I'm curious what that MSFvemon will generate. This guy. Okay. I'm assuming that's correct. I haven't done ASPX in quite a while, so let's see. Okay. Git add load git commit dash m added payload. For some reason, there's this weird line here. Okay, there we go. Git push. Okay, so now if we go here, 21 / payload.aspx. Oh, did I lose the server here for some reason? Am I taking too long? Let me see. Oh no, it's still running. Oh, whoops, 18. Oh, it's so tiny. Like I said, even for me, this is really tiny. It's because I have like high definition monitors, and this is coming from WSL, which for some reason doesn't do the scaling, like making it 2 times as big. 10.129 to 232. Oh, let's see if anything happens here. It's thinking. I was really thinking. Okay, well, I'll leave that to think for a minute, and then let's do that MSFvemon thing because I'm curious how that works. So, like, I'm assuming this is going to set up a reverse shell. Yeah, like, okay, they call it reverse shell.aspx. Oh, this is stuck here. Okay. Okay, well, let's try this. Make that a little bigger. Okay, so let's clear. Let's go actually to here. Oh, no, wrong one. Yeah, this one's fine. What was it? I was going to run this command. I want to change this to be wait, okay. Is this my? Is this my machine? What was the host that they're using here? .64. 10. 234.64. Oh, okay. This needs to be my IP address, or at least through my VPN tunnel here. Right, yeah, because it's got to tell me what one to connect to. We didn't trigger it with a curl request. Oh, okay. I guess we could do curl too for some of this stuff. Oh, the connection is timed out. That's a real shame. Well, I don't know. Let's see what this creates. So what is my IP address? I need to figure out what my IP address is. I determine my IP address when using OpenVPN. But adder show tuna. Okay, that looks like my IP address. Let's just throw this here. My IP. Okay. And then I need to run this venv script. But I need to change this to 10.120. No, 10.10.14.183. Oops. Rev.sp. Oh, I'm in the wrong. Dang it. Okay. MV to here. Security. Okay. There we go. I guess I should commit some of this stuff too, just to like never lose it. But all right, so oh, it's a big old ugly script there. So they had page. Okay, how did that compare to the payload? Server info.gate HTML. Page language auto venv wire up. Maybe I needed this in there. Let's try this. Okay, let's try. I'm curious, why didn't that work? Chris. Payload. Oh. Get to push. I didn't see this. Did I break the site? Oh, maybe I have the wrong IP address on here. No, looks right. Okay, there we go. Halo.aspx. Oh, okay. So that's not letting me. Well, that's interesting. Like, is it just this entire thing? Does it go through the comments? Do 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 do. Oh, okay. It must be reading through the comment. Okay, but I can't do that server info thing because it won't. Doesn't seem like it'll let me. Let's try it once more just to see. Yeah. Oh, okay. Customer mode. Well, maybe there's something wrong with that script. It's throwing an error. This didn't work. Any suggestions why? Boom. Reverse shell. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, sure. Let's just try getting the machine name. Oh, I got the machine name. Okay. So I guess the server info, I don't know, that didn't work, but all right. So it even gave me tips to write a whole just give me a command there. Okay. Well, let's go through the example. Okay, cool. I'm getting sidetracked. That's kind of neat. Okay, so we got the MS of Venom. So let's put this into our payload. Okay, so we did that. Now we need to run this console so we can listen to it. Except I need this to be my IP address, which is I guess okay. Okay. So if we go I guess I just use a curl command, eh? Okay, start reverse TCP IP handler. I guess I should be able just to do it with this, I think. Let's see. Oh, I get not valid will be closed. That's unfortunate. Do I need to? Oh. Okay. L host, L port. Is that right? Oh, that's so funny. They use the same name. With a curl request. Right, it should give us. Is that my IP? Yes. Oh, I'm in. Okay. I guess I had to control C this for some reason. Okay. Let's put you over here. Oh, there we go. Sys info. This is getting kind of annoying. It's hard to see all these screens. Sorry. All right. Oh, I'm not in the MSF console. Oh, do I have a return in there? Is that why? Ah, okay, there we go. Okay, so that looks better. So now if I refresh this, I should get something here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, there we go. I'm in. That looks more like what we expected over here. Okay, cool. So now we can run commands. Right, like we can see what's on here. Yeah, it's a Windows system. I guess I got to use Windows commands. Oh, shoot! I got to get these going. Okay, let's try this again. All right, and let's not be so impatient. Boom. Okay, now I just wait, and then I'm just gonna keep this over here so I can see what to run. So if I do like sys info, yeah, okay, cool. I could see information. So now let's just put you back here. Can I hide this? Because I want to be able to show. Oops. This here. Okay. OS logged in users. I don't quite know how to see. Get UID. Okay. This is where I don't know all the Windows commands or even the Linux ones. So, all right. So this would be this. Submit. What's the full path? Okay. Yeah. So yeah, now we got in, we can poke around and find the files that we're interested in. So, right, like we can see all the compiled files here, the DLLs. M remote ng configure. I don't know what that is. So, okay, well, maybe we'll just kind of speed this up. We'll go through the rest of the thing. Like, basically, we can poke around the server and do whatever we want now. So, but we need to find an admin person probably. Yes, these are all Windows commands. Yeah, so there's admin. That's what we really want. So we need to go C slash Windows system 32 inet serve. Oh, changed her. That still works. Right, because we find Gail. Oh, Gail's a guest. Okay, yeah, I guess we could go to changed her. And right, like this is a Windows. Oh, is this a Windows server? Or is this a Linux server? Maybe this is Linux. Okay, there we go. Oh no, this is Windows. Users. It's weird. I have to use Linux commands though for some reason. Maybe it's just the way this works. So if we go look here, what do we see under Ellen? Well, it gave us a hint to go look under her documents. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so this is her remote. Desktop thingy. Okay, I gotta put some of these commands here. Okay, use MS. Remote desktop config file. Ellen's home directory. Yeah, let's put this in a different one here. XML. There's a password in there too. Oh, that's cool. Okay. So I'm assuming we're going to have to use that. Okay. Yes. All right. So we found that. That's good. Yeah, stored credentials. Okay, so what am I looking for in here though? Icon. MSRemoteEngineering.org. Yeah, this looks like a remote desktop config file. Oh yeah, okay, remote desktop management application for Gale. How do we know it's for Gale? Oh, okay. There, that's how we know it's for Gale. Oh, M remote ng uses a known AS encryption scheme. Uses a publicly available Python script. If the protected master key is available. Oh, and then we're gonna have to remote desktop in. Oh, I don't know if I have that installed. Okay. Okay, well maybe we'll do that and then we'll end this video and we'll do the admin part after. Okay, so oh yeah, this is a lot, eh? So this is somebody's. Wow, okay. Um let's just call it script for now. Right here. What? Uses a known AS. Okay. MGN decryptor. I will spell it later. Correct later. Okay. And then how does this work? Oh, you have to pass in the config.example. Oh, okay. Remote ng config. Cool. Do I have Python installed? Okay, good. Python. Ugh, I'm in the wrong freaking folder again. Okay. Python m remote. Yeah. And then I need to pass an m remote. Module not found. Oh. Cryptodome. Okay. Cryptodome. Oh. Okay, let's do this. How do I add Cryptodome library for Python? I don't have pip though, right? Okay. Sudo apt install Python 3 pip. Hooray. Okay. PYCRYPTO. Ah. Oh, how did these virtual environments work too? I don't remember. All right, how do I set up a virtual in Python virtual environment? Okay, Python venv venv. Oh, jeez. What version of Python do I have? Okay. Python 3.13. Hooray! Okay. Okay, cool. And then I should be able just to run this script, right? Oops. No module found. Pain in the butt. All right. Well, it's gonna be a long video. I did. Mm-hmm. All right, we might have to bail here because I have to go soon. Okay. What a huge pain. It looks like it. Okay, one last trance, I guess. Da, da, da. Hmm. Okay, let's try searching for this. Oh, is that what's going on? UI Cryptodome pip install UICRYPTODOME. Oh, sure. Hey, there we go. Okay. That was a bit of a pain in the butt. Run the remote ng cracker.py script to get the password. Had to change the script to use crypto instead of Cryptodome. Okay, cool. Now that we have that. Oh, an hour 40. See, I think when people show those edited videos, yeah, they just, I don't know, maybe they're smarter than me, but what is the full path? Oh, okay, so I should answer some of these. What is the full path containing the stored credentials? It is, ooh, what is it? Oh, Dang it. I guess we lose connection after a while. I think it was like C users ln documents. That's okay. We'll get here in a second. Really thinking hard. I get a new IP address or something. Get status. Okay, let's just make a small change here. Oh, something's going on with the server. The server's dead. Or so, I don't know. It says it's up, so oh, something's broken on the server. Okay. Well, this looks like a good time to end it for now. So I guess there'll be a part 2 to this. So yeah, if you liked watching this, yeah, we got to here. And we got her password. And then yeah, then we'll have to get admin. I don't know what PDF 24 is, but yeah, we'll try and do this next time. So if you liked what you saw, I don't know, like, subscribe, all the things. Send me some positive feedback. That would be great. Or constructive criticism. That would be great. And yeah, otherwise, man, an hour and 40 minutes. Yeah, do we want to summarize what the heck we did here? Let me take a look here. Anything we need to add to the README? Yeah, like we unmapped it. We found the get T. Scroll. We got the personal access token. And with the personal access token, we were able to find the other repository, which gave us a clue that it was automatically deployed. With the access token, we could push our own files up there. We use this MSFvemon to create a reverse shell. And then once we had a reverse shell, we could do all sorts of things. Like we were currently running as Ellen, but yeah, then we could do all sorts of things. So we could find, we had to find this other config file, which gave us access to Gale through remote desktop, which I'm assuming it's going to have that PDF thing that's probably going to have another vulnerability in it. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, like, subscribe, all the things. If you have something else you want me to show in a future video, let me know. That would be much appreciated. And I hope you have the great rest of your day, and I will see you hopefully in a week. Bye.